Welcome to Sela, Jamaica Vibes, where the rhythm of nature meets the soul of Jamaica. Here in our backyard, we grow herbs, vegetables, flowers, and even fruit trees, all with love and care. Whether you're passionate about gardening, curious about natural living, or just love the beauty of tropical nature, this is your space to slow down, breathe deep, and take in the vibes. So join us as we plant, nurture, and grow one seed, one tree, one good vibes at a time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to feel the garden energy. This little pepper right here, bright, bold, and full of attitude. It's the heart of the Caribbean flavor. It's called the Scotch Bonnet, and today we are exploring what makes it one of the most beloved peppers in the world, not just for its heat, but for its story, its culture, and taste. This Scotch bonnet has deep roots in the Caribbean, especially Jamaica, where it's used in almost every traditional dish. The name comes from its shape. It looks like a Scottish tam or bonnet, but don't let that playful name fool you. This pepper carries serious flavor. For generations, families have used it to bring warmth and brightness to their food. From spicy stews to ackee and codfish, the Scotch bonnet isn't just one ingredient, it's a symbol of Caribbean pride. Scotch bonnets thrive in the tropics. They love sunshine, warmth, and rich soil. The peppers start green and ripen into bright shades of yellow, orange, or red, depending on the variety. If you're growing them at home, be patient. They take about 90 to 120 days to fully mature. Give them sunlight, water regularly, and they'll reward you with vibrant color and intense aroma. Even in a small garden, these peppers can bring the Caribbean right to your backyard. What makes Scotch bonnet unique is its balance. Yes, it's hot, around 100,000 to 350,000 Scottville heat units, but underneath that fire is a fruity sweetness, almost like mango or pineapple. That's why chefs around the world love it. It adds flair of flavors, not just spice, to food. A few slices in your stew, sauce, or marinade can completely transform a dish. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Now for the fun part. Let's talk about how to use Scotch bonnets. You can blend them into a homemade hot sauce. Just add vinegar, garlic, onion, and a little fruit like mango or pineapple for balance. Or use them to spice up soups, rice, and marinades. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Always wear gloves when cutting them and never touch your face afterwards. And for burrata, let's see how we can preserve them to enjoy that taste the whole year round. You will need some sliced onions, pimento grains, some diced chayote or chocha, carrots cut into strips, and of course your sliced Scotch bonnet peppers. Place all ingredients in a glass jar, decorate the ingredients inside the jar with a fork, and add the white vinegar. You can keep this outside in a cool place and enjoy at your leisure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, to share, to comment, and subscribe. See you in my next upload.